Okay, so what do you do with the e-reader?
Well, I think I just open the file on the reader and it show me the book and the text, and I just keep changing the pages.
Right. So let's decompose that into task from the e-reader perspective then.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we start. That's our start. The flowchart starts.
Okay.
And then you mention the e-reader, or you open the file. So actually the e-reader open the file.
Mm-hmm.
Then we read the e-reader read the text.
Yeah.
Then it show the text to the user.
Mm-hmm. And then I think it waits for a user to turn the page.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. And then it just keep doing that.
Wait, first the e-reader need to adapt its behavior based on the user choice.
Okay.
Either you turn the page as a user, or you want to close the book, right? So we have our condition here, and if
User turn the page.
then we read the text, the e-reader read the text,
And then
and
show to the
it
text.
show it to the user. Yeah. Else
eReader just close the book.
we close. Yeah, the e-reader close the book, right?
And the algorithm ends.
And we end.
Nice. Okay.
Right. So we have all our tasks.
Mm-hmm.
That's the first version of our e-reader algorithm.
Yeah, I see that.